Today I'm going to speak with you about numbers, not specifically Bible codes, but more to do with Gematria, and the numbers that I got to speak on are very, very famous in the internet. A lot discuss about it. The Gematria of the 7 verse of Bereshit, 2701, multiplication of 37, 73, a lot. If you put these two numbers, you see there a lot explanation showing much more around these numbers. Beautiful, no doubt, and as themselves show the greatness of Torah. But I will try now to show a little bit more, from a different angle maybe, to do with Hebrew letters, but no doubt will give beautiful color to this unbelievable phenomena, which was the greatest of Torah, the Old Testament. So let us see now pure numbers. So this is the numbers that I got to speak about, and this is the numbers you can see a lot and much more they bring, but I will try to concentrate on this one and to show you how much is behind. So the first thing you see is the Gematria of the 7 verse of the first verse of Genesis is 2701, which is multiplication of 37 and 73, which are the Gematria. 73 is Chokhmah, wisdom, and 37 Yechida. So the first thing, what is Yechida? There are 10 spheres, and the upper one, the 10th, the highest one is called Yechida, the only one, unique one, whatever it is. Chokhmah is the second one. On your Yechida, then you have Chokhmah and Binah and so on. So basically, these are the two upper spheres, which are the source of all the other 10. 73 is 10, 73 is 10, 2701 is 10. So definitely all of these have to do with the 10 spheres. For a person to know. This is the basis of everything. God created the world with 10 sayings, definitely parallel to the 10 spheres. So the 10 spheres is the basis of everything. So what we have here. So let us look on the number 2701, which is the Gematria of the 7 verse of Genesis. 2701. The spheres are, as you see here, the upper one, second one, Yechida Chokhmah. The upper one is Yechida 1, number 1 from the 10 spheres. Then you have your 7, which is basically kingdom. And the second one is Chokhmah. Yeah, but let us see the build-up of this 10. 1, it is upper one. 2, this is Chokhmah. And 7 are the 7 lower spheres from Chesed, loving kindness, and then come Gvura, strength, harmony, Od, and so Nesach, eternity, and Od, and glory, and Yesod, foundation, kingdom. So basically, what you have in this number is the upper one, Yechida. You have the second one, Chokhmah. Here, Yechida and Chokhmah have. And then you have the 7, the lower, the 7, which is the basis of creation, 7 days and so on, right? So this number, besides the importance of the number, by the way, all together 10, they can be 10 spheres, 3 and 7, 10. But the build-up of those spheres, 1 Yechida, the highest one. Then comes the second one, Chokhmah, and then you have 7 spheres, which is the basis of creation of the 7 days. Fine. Now, let us go to see the multiplication. Multiplication is 37, 7, 3. Definitely representing the 10 spheres, even representing beautifully the upper 3, which is 1, 2, 3, Yechida, and Chokhmah. Basically, as it is very famous, the upper 3 are Chokhmah, Binah, Vedat. Some take Chokhmah, Binah, wisdom, understanding, and knowledge, but some say Yechida, Chokhmah, and Binah. Yeah, because there are 3, the upper one is the source of the 7. So, Yechida, which is the upper one, this is the source of all the 7. Therefore, Yechida is 3 and 7. 3 spheres, the upper world, the source of the 7. Altogether, the 10 spheres. Chokhmah already is lower. In Yechida is a sphere which gives over the 3 to the 7. Chokhmah is already the 7 and 3. It means you develop the 7, learning whatever it is, and then coming to the upper one, the 3. This is the work of Ben, Chokhmah. The purpose of the bird is Chokhmah, Yira, Chokhmah. But you have the Chida which helps you, right? So together, this is exactly the build-up of the Gematria of the 7 worlds, Chida, Chokhmah, 7 spheres, Chokhmah in which you work from the 7 to the 3, because Chokhmah is studying, learning, yeah? The studying, learning should bring you to the high understanding, which is the 3. Yechida is what God gave you, definitely. The 3, the upper 3, so this is what God gave you, and this is what you have to work on yourself. God created the man for Chokhmah, yeah? So, altogether, seeing that it has to do with the spheres, the 10 spheres, and exactly explain to you the order of the number, or the prime number, whatever it is, there are beautiful explanations. You will see so much about it here. But what I wanted now in this short lecture, whatever you call it, to show you how much is more beyond. I did not go more to it, there's even much more to discuss. So, this is Hebrew, which contains so much wisdom, creation of the world, which is basically 10 spheres, and the build up of the numbers. And exactly started with Chokhmah. This is going backward, from the Chokhmah to the 7, then coming to the upper one. So, as I said, amazing build up, 10 to 7, the upper one, the sphere, which brings to the second, down to the Chokhmah, and goes down to the 7. Yeah. Okay, I wanted to add a little bit to the mathematical, beautiful explanation of these numbers, which you see a lot, but I want to give a little bit adding color to this beautiful concept that we saw and gives much more and deeper understanding to the Hebrew verse and to the Torah.